Hello, welcome to Engineering 1040 Design Lab. This is the lab where you will learn junior electrical design. Safety in the lab should be your number one priority, and the safety procedures outlined in the lab must be followed. Before working on any test equipment, please remove or secure any dangling jewelry, because it may cause a disaster when you are working on circuits. When you enter the lab, please take a note of the emergency safety equipment and emergency evacuation route. Lab safety equipment is located near the main exit door of the lab, and it is only used when there is an emergency in the lab. Emergency safety equipment includes an emergency phone, an emergency contact list, a fire extinguisher, an eye wash station, a first aid safety kit for many injuries, and an emergency shut-off button. You should wear CSA-approved safety glasses when working on circuits in the lab. Students are expected to have their own safety glasses, which can be purchased at Mom Bookstore and other retail stores in the city. If you wear prescription glasses, your safety glasses must cover your personal glasses. If you forget to bring your own safety glasses to lab, there may be some spare safety glasses available, but we do not guarantee you we will have some safety glasses here. So, you should bring your own safety glasses. Food and drink are not allowed during scheduled lab sessions, when using test equipment, or when working on circuits. Because you never know what's gonna happen if you spill your coffee or tea on the circuit board. It will short out everything for sure. Even worse, it will cause an explosion. Like that. Also, you don't want to get the circuit board greasy or oily, because the lab technologist will hate you. Dislike you. If you bring food and drink to a lab outside lab hours, you're responsible for cleaning up. Liquids must be in covered containers. Food waste must be properly disposed of. Here are some final thoughts on lab safety. Never work alone in lab after hours. You should always work in pair with your lab partner or work together with your fellow students. Lab tools and equipment are only used for their intended purposes. After you finish your project, you should clean up the workbenches and return lab tools and equipment to where they belong. Safety in the lab should always be your first priority. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Oh wait, do not forget to do the quiz at the end. Bye.